Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by the whirlwind of information about the ketogenic diet? It's a sensation that's all too common, with countless sources offering conflicting or confusing advice. But fear not, because this video is here to guide you through the maze of keto, offering a clear and simple roadmap to starting your own ketogenic journey. The ketogenic diet, often referred to as keto, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that's been sweeping the world. But it's far more than just a trend. The ketogenic diet is based on the principle of ketosis, where your body burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. It's more than just bacon and butter. It's about understanding the fundamentals and making informed choices that suit your lifestyle. In this video, we'll dive deep into the keto world, from explaining the key principles of ketosis, to debunking common myths and misconceptions. We'll explore the roles of fat, protein, and carbs in your diet, and offer practical insights on how to build a balanced keto plate. We'll also delve into the world beyond food, discussing lifestyle hacks that can support your keto journey. But we won't stop there. We'll prepare you for potential challenges and offer tips for avoiding common traps. And most importantly, we'll remind you that this is your journey, and your success will be defined by your own terms. In this video, we will demystify the keto craze and arm you with the knowledge to start your journey. The ketogenic diet revolves around a simple principle: using fat for energy. What does this mean exactly? Well, in a traditional diet, your body uses carbohydrates as its primary source of energy. When you dramatically reduce your carb intake and replace it with fat, as you do in a keto diet, your body goes into a metabolic state known as ketosis. In this state, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. This shift can lead to weight loss and a host of other potential health benefits. Now let's take a moment to discuss macronutrients. These are the building blocks of your diet and include fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. On a keto diet, the majority of your calories will come from fat, followed by a moderate amount of protein and a minimal amount of carbs. To give you a rough idea, a typical keto diet might consist of 70% fat, 25% protein, and 5% carbs. Speaking of carbs, they play a limited role in the keto diet. You'll want to keep your carb intake low, typically around 20 to 50 grams per day. It's important to remember that not all carbs are created equal. You'll want to avoid high-carb foods like bread, pasta, and sugary snacks, and instead focus on nutrient-dense low-carb options like non-starchy vegetables and low-sugar fruits. Now let's debunk a couple of common misconceptions. First, not all protein is bad. While it's true that excessive protein can interfere with ketosis, a moderate amount is necessary for muscle maintenance and satiety. Second, you can't eat unlimited cheese. Yes, cheese is high in fat and low in carbs, but it's also high in calories. Like everything else, moderation is key. Remember, keto is not about restrictions, but about making informed choices. You're not just cutting out carbs, you're replacing them with healthier, more satisfying alternatives. And once you understand the basics, you'll see that the possibilities are truly endless. Eating keto does not mean saying goodbye to delicious and nutritious food. Now let's explore the beautiful world of keto-friendly foods that go beyond restrictions. First up, fats. But not just any fats. We're talking about healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish are your best friends on this journey. They're not just tasty, they're packed with nutrients that support your body while keeping you in ketosis. Next up, we have lean proteins. Chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, and tempeh are all fantastic sources. Remember, quality and moderation are key. You're not looking to consume all the protein in the world, but rather enough to support your body's needs. This brings us to vegetables. Yes, you can have your veggies and eat them too, even on a keto diet. Opt for low-carb varieties like leafy greens, broccoli, bell peppers, and cucumbers. They're a great source of essential vitamins and minerals, and they'll add color and crunch to your meals. But watch out for those hidden carbs. They lurk in the most unexpected places like starchy vegetables, fruits, and processed foods. Always read the labels, and when in doubt, go for whole, unprocessed foods. Now, who said keto food is bland? Certainly not us. Spices are your secret weapon to add flavor without adding carbs. Herbs, garlic, red pepper flakes, and other low-carb spices can transform your meals from okay to oh wow. So let's recap. Healthy fats, lean proteins, low-carb vegetables, and flavorful spices. Sounds like a pretty delicious plate, right? With the right knowledge, your keto plate can be a rainbow of tasty and healthy options. Embracing keto is more than just changing your diet. It's adopting a healthier lifestyle. And that includes a few key habits and strategies that go beyond your plate. First off, hydration is paramount. It's not just about quenching your thirst. Staying well hydrated helps your body function optimally and supports the process of ketosis. So, make water your best friend. You can also enjoy unsweetened teas and black coffee, but remember, moderation is key. Now let's talk about sweeteners. It's a common misconception that all sweet things are off limits on keto. However, that's not entirely true. You can enjoy sweet tastes, thanks to keto-friendly alternatives like stevia, erythritol, and monk fruit. They can satisfy your sweet tooth without spiking your blood sugar levels. But again, moderation is the name of the game. Meal prep can be your secret weapon on this journey. Preparing your meals in advance can help you stick to your keto plan and avoid processed options that might sneak in hidden carbs. It also saves time and reduces stress, making your keto lifestyle more sustainable in the long run. Last but definitely not least, remember that you're not alone in this journey. There's a vast community of keto enthusiasts out there, both online and possibly right in your local area. Connecting with others who are on the same path can offer motivation, inspiration, and a wealth of shared knowledge. You can learn from their experiences, get new recipe ideas, and even make some new friends. So don't just focus on what you're eating. Pay attention to your hydration, explore sweet alternatives, master the art of meal prepping, and most importantly, connect with a supportive community. Remember, being successful on keto requires a holistic approach. It's not just about the food on your plate, but also the lifestyle choices you make every day. And these choices can set you up not just for success on keto, but for a healthier, more vibrant life overall. Like any journey, the road to ketosis can have its bumps. Now, it's time to talk about those bumps and how to navigate them without losing sight of your destination. First, let's prepare for the potential of keto flu. It's a common experience in the early stage of the diet, as your body adapts to burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Symptoms can include fatigue, headaches, and irritability. But don't worry, it's only temporary, and there are ways to manage it. Staying hydrated, getting ample sleep, and maintaining a balanced intake of electrolytes can help alleviate these symptoms. And remember, if things get tough, it's perfectly okay to seek advice from a healthcare professional. Next, let's tackle the social gatherings. You know the ones. The parties, the dinners, the events where your favorite carb-loaded treats are on display. It's easy to feel isolated or deprived in these situations. However, with a bit of preparation and a positive mindset, you can navigate these challenges successfully. Consider bringing a keto-friendly dish to share, or eating something before you go. And if you do indulge, don't beat yourself up. One meal won't derail your progress. Also, let's not forget about plateaus. You might reach a point where, despite your best efforts, the scale just doesn't seem to budge. But don't let this discourage you. Weight loss is not linear, and plateaus are a normal part of the journey. Keep focusing on your overall health and how you feel, rather than just the number on the scale. Lastly, let's talk about motivation. Maintaining a new lifestyle can be challenging, but remember why you started this journey. Keep your goals in mind, celebrate your small victories, and don't hesitate to seek support from the keto community. They can provide encouragement, share experiences, and offer advice. Remember, it's not about perfection but persistence. So keep going, keep learning, and keep making choices that support your journey to health and well-being. You've got this. Starting a ketogenic diet can seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and mindset, you can succeed. We've walked through the basics, explored beyond restrictions, offered lifestyle hacks, and given you tools to avoid pitfalls. Now it's time to take these insights and embark on your own keto journey. Don't be afraid to experiment, listen to your body, and find what works for you. We look forward to hearing your thoughts, experiences, and the success stories you'll write. Remember, your keto journey is your own. Make it a success story.